The Dog Who Waited, the untold story of Capitan, the graveyard guardian. Dogs are called man's best friend for a reason, but sometimes their loyalty goes beyond life itself. This is the incredible true story of Capitan the dog who never gave up on his best friend. And yet, you've probably never heard of him. Capitan was a German shepherd adopted by Miguel Guzman, a quiet man living with his family in a small town. Miguel and Capitan were inseparable. They'd walk together, share meals, and even fall asleep on the porch together. He wasn't just a peeve, was family. But in 2006, tragedy struck. Miguel passed away suddenly. The family held a small funeral and buried him in the town's cemetery. Capitan disappeared just days later. They searched everywhere. Weeks went by. No one knew where Capitan had gone. Until one day, a cemetery caretaker called Miguel's family. There, lying by Miguel's grave, was Capitan. No one had taken him there. Somehow his own Capitan had found the grave, and he refused to leave. Rain, snow, soon every day for over 11 years, Capitan waited by the grave. He would only leave to find food or water, then return by sunset. Cemetery workers said he would whimper softly, lay down, and stare at the headstone. Veterinarians offered to take him in. Families tried to adopt him. But Capitan always returned. To keep watch. To stay close. To remain loyal even in death. In 2018, Capitan passed away. They buried him beside Miguel just as he would have wanted. A symbol of loyalty so deep, so pure, that it defied reason. The townspeople say, you visit the cemetery to mourn Miguel, but you leave remembering Capitan. We don't always deserve dogs. But Capitan? He reminds us of the love we all hope to give and the loyalty we all dream to receive. Rest in peace, Capitan. The world won't forget you. If this story touched your heart, give it a like and subscribe for more real animal stories. Have you heard of a loyal animal like Capitan? Let us know in the comments. Turn on notifications so you never miss an untold story.